Hi students, let's see exercise 2.3 part 2. This is polynomial, and we know that we already done the previous part, and those watching the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the previous videos. Ready? So let us start question number 3. I'll read the question once. Obtain all other zeros of 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root of 5 by 3 and minus root of 5 by 3. Ready? So let's start the work. Now, this is already in this polynomial. Two zeros are given. And we know that looking here itself we can understand 3x raised to 4 means its power is 4. That means there will be 4 zeros. Ready? There will be 4 zeros. 2 zeros are given. That means what you want to do? You have to find out 2 more zeros. Ready? For that first we'll write, let's start the solution. First we'll write let p of x. That means the polynomial is given 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, after that, it's already given these two are the zeros, isn't it? That means we'll write and root of 5 by 3 minus root of 5 by 3 are the zeros. This implies x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 are its factors. Therefore, this multiplication should be a factor for the given polynomial. Therefore, x minus root 5 by 3 into next one x plus root 5 by 3 equals, let's multiply this. See, a minus b into a plus b. A plus b into a minus b otherwise. A plus b into a minus b. What is the equation? A plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. Ready? See, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That means what you'll write here? Yeah. A minus b, a plus b. A is x and b is root of 5 by 3. So a square means x square minus b square. B square is the second one. What is that? Root of 5 by 3 the whole square. That means what you'll do? Square and root will cancel. That means this equals x square minus 5 by 3. Ready? Is a factor of p of x. Ready? Now what we will do means this one will divide to this given polynomial. Means what you will do? This will be the dividend and this is going to be the divisor. So let's go for division now. Ready? So now we will divide it with the given polynomial to the factor, isn't it? That means x square minus 5 by 3 divided by 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So first term, what is the first term here? 3x raised to 4. So 3x raised to 4 divided by, here the first term is x square. Square means 2 times. X raised to 4 means 4 times. So 2 times. So 2 times will cancel first. After that, from 4 times 2 will cancel. That means we'll get the balance 3x square. Here we'll write 3x square. After that, now what you'll do? 3x square into this divisor. What is that? X square minus 5 by 3 will multiply. That means these two will open now. Ready? So 3x square into x square. See, 3 x square into x square, what will do? X raised to 4. 2 into 2, isn't it? So, x. Now, what will do? 3x square into the divisor, what is that? X square minus 5 by 3. We will open it now. 3x square into x square equals 3x square into x square. What you will get? X raised to 4. 3x square into minus 5 by 3. That means minus 5 by 3 into 3x square. Otherwise 3x square into minus 5 by 3. Now 3 we can cancel. Ready? This equals 3x raised to 4 minus 5x square. Now that will write here 3x raised to 4 minus 5x square. So here this is x cube. So x square downside we have to write that. Ready? So we'll write minus 5x square. What will do? Subtract. This plus become minus and the minus become plus. Ready? So 3x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4 will cancel. This will bring down. What is that? 6x cube. After that, minus 2x square plus 5x square plus and minus. What will do now? Minus, isn't it? So 5 minus 2, 3. So we'll write 3x square. But we know that the bigger number is plus 5x square. So the sign is plus. Then the balance. What is that? Minus 10x minus 5. Okay. Now again the first time. What is that? 6x cube divided by x square. 2 times x square will cancel. From 3 times 2 will cancel. That means 1 will be balanced. So we'll get equals 6x. Ready? So the quotient place we will write plus 6x. No sign means plus. Ready? After that 6x into what is here? X square minus 5 by 3 equals, we'll open this, 6x into x square. If you want one step more we can write, that is 6x into x square minus, now this 2, 6x into minus 5 by 3. That is what I wrote, minus first. After that 6x into 5 by 3. See, 6x into x square minus 6x into 5 by 3. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we got it now. This equals 6x and x square. Here 1, here 2 times. So together x raised to 3, otherwise x cube minus, here is what? Here what you will get? 5 into 2, 10x. Isn't it? So we got it now. 6x cube minus 10x. So the minus 10x you have to write below x. That means minus 10x. I will go for subtraction. Minus. So minus in time plus become minus and minus become plus. 6x cube minus 6x cube will cancel. Minus 10x plus 10x will cancel. This 3x square will bring down. Ready? After that minus 5. Ready? Now what will do? 3x square divided by here x square. X square will cancel, will get 3. So the quotient place will write plus 3. Okay, after that 3 into, what is that? X square minus 5 by 3. We are opening now. So 3 into x square, 3x square minus 3 into 5 by 3. We'll write 3 into 5 by 3. Of course 3 will cancel. We'll get this equals 3x square minus 5. Okay, so we'll write 3x square minus 5. When you subtract, this plus become minus, minus become plus. 3x square minus 3x square will cancel, minus 5 plus 5 will cancel, isn't it? So we'll get only 0. So remainder 0 means it is, of course, it is a factor, isn't it? Now what you'll do, we got it now, the quotient 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Now we know that actually division algorithm, what is that? Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Ready? So we'll apply that. That means what is the dividend here? Yeah, 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 equals, this is the dividend. Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor is x square minus 5 by 3 into quotient. What is the quotient here? Into 3x square plus 6x plus 3 plus 0, because plus remainder is 0, isn't it? So this much. So we want the other zeros. That means what? The polynomial should be equal to 0. For n is 0, p of x should be 0. This implies p of x, the polynomial, we got it now. This one equals divisor into quotient. So this part we'll write now. What is that? X square minus 5 by 3 into, what is that? 3x square plus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. This implies x square minus 5 by 3 equal to 0, or any one of these should be 0. That means 3x square plus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. From here we already got the zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So this part no need to take. Let's go with this one. So this implies from this all we can take 3 common. 3 into x square, 3x square. So 3 will be taking outside, means balance will be x square plus 3 into how much you will get? 6. 3 2s are. So 3 into 2. That means we will write 2x plus, and we took already 3 outside. 3 into how much you will get? 3. 3 1s are 3. So the balance is 1 equals 0. Since the other side is 0, so 3 we can cancel. This implies x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now breaking the middle term. Multiplication time we are getting 1. Addition time we are getting 2. Both are plus. That means 1 into 1. 1. 1 plus 1. 2. So the numbers are 1 and 1. Ready? So we'll write. This implies x square plus, in place of 2x, what you can write? 1x plus 1x. Actually you can write x plus x. To understand I am writing 1x plus 1x. Ready? So plus 1 equal to 0. This implies from these two terms, what you can take common? X. So x bracket, x into how much you will get? X into x, isn't it? So x will be balanced plus. We already took x outside, the balance is 1. From these two, we can take only 1 outside, isn't it? That means 1 bracket x plus 1. If you take 1 outside, the terms will not change. This implies, see, brackets are same. That means that will be common. So x plus 1 into, see the balance, x plus 1 equal to 0. Ready? That means what you can write? That implies x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equals plus 1 goes next side, minus 1, or x equals this minus plus, this plus 1 goes next side, minus 1. Therefore, the zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. Of course, we got already 2 and now we got 2 more. Is it okay? Let's see the next question. Question number 4. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial x, the quotient and the remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Ready? So what is given? One polynomial is already given. So first we'll write let the given polynomial, that is p of x, equals x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Ready? And of course it is dividing with this one by a polynomial g of x. That means what is already given the polynomial, that will be dividend, and which is going to divide, that will be divisor. Divisor is g of x and given quotient. Quotient is x minus 2 and the remainder is minus 2x plus 4. But according to the question, you need to find out g of x, that is question mark. Ready? Now we know division algorithm. What is that? Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Ready? So this implies dividend given. What is that? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equals, what is the divisor? G of x, isn't it? So g of x into quotient. What is the quotient? Quotient is x minus 2 plus remainder. What is the remainder? That is minus 2x plus 4. Ready? Now, what you will do? This plus term, that is minus 2x plus 4, will carry to next side. So this implies x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. If minus 2x plus 4 comes to next side, the minus 2x will convert into plus 2x and the plus 4 will convert into minus 4. Equals balance. What is that? G of x into x minus 2. This implies x cube minus 3x square. Now plus x plus 2x. X plus 2x, 3x. X means 1x. So 1x plus 2x plus 3x. Now plus 2 minus 4. Plus into minus. Minus 4 minus 2, 2. But of course the bigger number is minus. So the minus. So the answer is minus 2. Equals g of x into x minus 2. So this implies x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, and this multiplication goes next side, divide. So divided by x minus 2. Therefore g of x equals, what will you write? X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus, we'll divide this one, that is x minus 2. After that, what is that? X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Ready? Now the first term is x cube divided by x. One time x, Out of 3 times 1 will cancel, the balance is 2. That means x square. Ready? So here we will write x square. After that, x square into, what is that? X minus 2 equals x square into x cube. Now x square into minus 2, minus 2x square. Okay, so what will write here? X cube minus 2x square. Now we'll minus it. So when you subtract, this plus become minus and minus become plus. That means x cube minus x cube will cancel. Minus 3x square plus 2x square. That means plus and minus, what you will do? Minus. So 3 minus 2, 1. That means 1x square, otherwise x square. See, 3x square minus 2x square will get 1x square. That means x square will write. After that, the bigger number is 3, its sign is minus. So minus x square. Then this 2 will bring down. Plus 3x minus 2. Ready? So that is minus x square divided by, this one is x. X one time, here out of 2 times 1 will cancel. That means we will get minus x. So we will write here minus x. Ready? After that, minus x into, what is this? X minus 2 equals x into x square. Of course minus is there, isn't it? So minus x square. After that, minus into minus plus x into 2, 2x. So we will get minus x square plus 2x. Ready? When you subtract, what will happen? Minus will convert into plus, plus 1 will convert into minus. So x minus x square plus x square will cancel. 3x minus 2x, 1x, that means x. And this minus 2 will bring down. Ready? After that, here x divided by, this first term is x and here is x. So x by x, 1 will cancel both, isn't it? So we'll get plus 1. Ready? That means 1 into x minus 2 equals x into 1, or 1 into x minus 1 into 2, 2. So we got it. X minus 2. Yeah, minusing time, this become minus, this become plus. X minus x cancel. Minus 2 plus 2 will get 0. So the remainder is 0. That means sure this is the answer. Therefore g of x equals, what will write? X square minus x plus 1. That is the required polynomial. Ready? So let's go to the next question. Let's see question number 5. Give examples of polynomials p of x, g of x, q of x and rx and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm. And the first condition is degree of p of x equals degree of q of x. First we have to understand p of x means dividend. What is that? P of x equals dividend and g of x equals divisor, q of x equals quotient and r of x means remainder. Ready? And it's given dividend and divisor degree should be equal. We know that degree of a polynomial means it is the highest power of a variable in a polynomial. That is called degree. Degree is what? It is the highest power of a variable in a polynomial. Ready? Here we have to see that dividend and divisor should have the same power. That's what you can use any examples. No problem. Ready? So I am taking here, let p of x equals 3x square minus 6x plus 27. Here the power is 2. That means the degree is 2. After that, I am dividing this. But dividing time, make sure that we are using only constant divide because the power of the variable will not change. Power of the variable will not change means divisor you should not use variable. That's the meaning. So when you use only the constant to divide, what will happen? The power will not change. The variables will not change. Ready? Now, that means q of x equals x square minus 2x plus 9, and the remainder we are taking, according to this, the remainder is 0. Then according to division algorithm, dividend equals quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. Let us see the second question. Degree of q of x equals degree of r of x. That means degree of the quotient equals degree of the remainder. So just we are taking any of the polynomials up to you, but the condition should satisfy. So I am taking p of x equals 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x plus 3. Then we are taking as a divisor as 2x square minus 1. So when you use this to divide, what will happen? The quotient will be x minus 1. And now after that, the remainder you are getting 3x minus 2. That means you see here x, the power is 1. Here 3x, its power is 1. That means these two, the degrees are same. Okay. See now the third question. Degree of r of x equal to 0. Degree of r of x equal to 0 means the variable should not be in the remainder, but of course there should be constant. Ready? So what you will do? P of x will write 2x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 4. G of x equals 2x square plus 1, and q of x equals x minus 2. So we got the remainder as 6. See here, this 6, here 6 is given. So the remainder is 6 means there is no variable. Variable not there means 6 x raised to 0. This x raised to 0, see, x raised to 0 is 1. Y raised to 0 is 1. Any number raised to 0, any variable raised to 0 is 1. Even number also, any variable raised to 0 is 1. Even if you take 5 raised to 0, that also we are going to get 1. Got it? So the remainder is 6. That means 6 into x raised to 0. That means the degree is 0. So it will follow the division algorithm, right? P of x equals q of x into g of x plus r of x. So this type of question, any type of polynomial you can use it. Doesn't mean that you have to use only this type, but make sure that the condition should follow. Okay? Let's go to the next question. Question number 6. It is given that 1 is a 0 of the polynomial 7x minus x cube minus 6. Find its other zeros. So what you will do here, let the given polynomial p of x equals 7x minus x cube minus 6 equals, the highest power will write first. That means minus x cube plus 7x, 7x means plus 7x minus 6. Ready? And of course it is given 1 is its 0. That means what you will do? And given it's 1, 0 is 1. Therefore, x minus 1 is its factor. So we are going to divide x minus 1 with the given polynomial. That means what you will do? Minus x cube plus 7x minus 6. Here x square term is not there, so I am giving little bit space. Divide x minus 1. Ready? Ready? So the first term in the dividend, what is that? Minus x cube divided by the first term of the divisor x. X one time will cancel from the 3 times. That means 2 times will be the balance, isn't it? So we'll get minus x square. Ready? So the quotient place will write minus x square. After that, minus x square into divisor x minus 1. We'll open with the minus x square. Minus x square into x square and here 1. That means x cube. So we'll get minus x cube. Again, minus x square into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. We'll get 1 into x square. So we'll get here minus x cube plus x square. Now we'll subtract. Minusing time, this minus become plus and plus become minus. So this minus x cube plus x cube will cancel. Here, what is here? Minus x square, isn't it? So minus x square these two will bring down. Plus 7x minus 6. Ready? Now, here the first term is minus x square divided by here x. X will cancel with x square one time. Minus x square divided by x. X will cancel. X out of 2, 1 will cancel. So the balance is minus x. So we'll write here minus x. Ready? After that, minus x into, divisor x minus 1 equals minus x into x. Minus x into x, x square. Now, minus into minus plus x into 1, x. So this what you can write? We can write minus x square plus x. We'll minus now. Minusing time, minus become plus and plus become minus. Minus x square plus x square will cancel. Now 7x minus 1x. X means 1x. So 7x minus 1x, 6x. And this minus 6 will bring down. So here the first term is 6x. So 6x divided by x. X will cancel, we'll get only 6. So we'll write plus 6. Ready? After that, 6 into divisor, what is that? X minus 1 equals 6 into x, 6x. 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Ready? So we'll get 6x minus 6. So minusing time, this become minus and this become plus. 6x minus xx will cancel. Minus 6 plus 6 will cancel. We'll get only 0. Ready? That means the remainder is 0. It means, sure, it is a factor. Ready? The quotient. Quotient what you got? Minus x square minus x plus 6. For what you can write? That polynomial is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. But divisor is x minus 1 into quotient what you got? Minus x square minus x plus 6 plus remainder but plus 0. Isn't it? That means this implies polynomial is minus x cube plus 7x minus 6 equals x minus 1 into minus x square minus x plus 6. Plus 0 means no need to write. But we know that for any 0, p of x equal to 0. In place of p of x, what you can write? This one we can write. That means this implies x minus 1 into minus x square minus x plus 6 equal to 0. This implies x minus 1 equal to 0 or minus x square minus x plus 6 equal to 0. But we know already x equal to 1. We already got that 0, isn't it? So no need to write this part. Ready? So let's go for this. So let's go for this. This implies from this term we will take minus outside, minus of x square. If you take minus outside, all the minus will become plus and the plus will convert into minus. So this minus will convert into plus and the plus will convert into minus. Since the other side is 0, so the minus we can cancel. Therefore, x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now what you'll do? Splitting the middle term. So we will split the middle term. That means the multiplication place minus 6, addition place 1, plus 1. And we know that multiplication place, if you get minus 6, minus, it shows that one of the number is minus. And this place if we get plus, mean the bigger number is plus. So let's see, 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 minus 2, 1. That means we will take 3 and minus 2. Plus 3 minus 2. You can understand? Plus 3 into minus 2 will get minus 6. Plus 3 minus 2 will get plus 1. Isn't it? So the numbers are plus 3 and minus 2. So this implies what you can write? X square in place of plus x, what you will write? Plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. In place of x we wrote plus 3x minus 2x. Ready? So this implies from the first two terms, what you can take common? X. Bracket. X into how much you'll get x square? X into x, isn't it? So x will be inside. Plus. Out of 3x, if you are taking x outside, the balance is 3. Now, from these two, we are going to take minus 2 outside. Ready? So, minus 2 if you take out, the balance is x. If you take minus outside, the minus will convert into plus. 2 into how much will get 6? 2 3s are. So, the 3 will be inside. Ready? Now, see the brackets are same. That shows that this implies x minus 2, this 2, x minus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 0. That implies x minus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. This implies x equals minus 2 goes next side, plus 2, and plus 3 goes next side, minus 3. Therefore, the other zeros are 2 and minus 3. Okay. Let's see the next question. Question number 7. If two zeros of the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus or minus root 3, find other zeros. Ready? So what you will do? Let the given polynomial, let p of x equals x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35, and given its zeros 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 are its zeros. You can understand, I think. 2 plus or minus root 3 means you can write 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, plus and minus separating, isn't it? Therefore, x minus first zero, what is that? 2 plus root 3 into x minus second root, what is that? X minus 2 minus root 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. Ready? Now this two will multiply. X minus 2 plus root 3 into x minus 2 minus root 3 equals this two, x into x, x square, and this two. See, x into this two, that means minus x into this two, 2 minus root 3. After this, this two will take. See, here is minus, so minus x into this two, that means x into this one. What is that? 2 plus root 3. After this, this 2 means minus into minus plus, and the balance will write 2 plus root 3 into this one. What is that? 2 minus root 3. Ready? This equals x square, will open the bracket now, minus x into 2, minus 2x. Now, minus into minus, plus root 3 into x, root 3x, minus x into 2, minus 2x, again minus x into plus root 3. That means what you will get? Minus x into plus root 3 means minus root 3x. Okay, this will multiply. Plus a plus b into a minus b. See, a plus b into a minus b. What is the equation? A square minus b square, isn't it? So we'll write here 2 square minus b square is root 3 square. Understand? I am writing this. Okay. Now this equals root 3x plus and root 3x minus will cancel. Ready? X square minus 2x minus 2x. What will get? Minus 4x, because minus into minus plus. Now the balance plus square of 2, 4. Square of root 3 means root and square will cancel, or square and root will cancel. So we'll get minus 3 equals x square minus 4x, 4 minus 3 plus 1. Ready? So now we will divide this, that is x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 divides. What will do? X square minus 4x plus 1. Ready? So first we will take x raised to 4 divided by x square. Square means 2 times. Out of 4, 2 will cancel. So x square will get. Ready? That means here will be x square. After that, what you will do? X square into x square minus 4x plus 1. X square into divisor equals x square into x square. X raised to 4. X square into minus 4x. That means minus 4x cube. Isn't it? Here 3. Here 2. Here 1. That means 3. X cube. Plus. Now this is plus. So we'll get here plus x square into 1 x square. So we'll write that. What is that? X raised to 4 minus 4 x cube plus x square. Ready? When you subtract, this will be minus, this will be plus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Now this will be minus. So x raised to 4 plus and minus will cancel. Minus 6x cube plus 4x cube. Plus and minus will cancel. Plus and minus will minus, isn't it? That means 6 minus 4, 2. 2x cube. But we know that the bigger number is 6, is minus. Minus 2x cube. Now here minus 26x square. Here is minus x square. That means minus 26x square minus 1x square. Minus into minus plus. So 26 plus 1. 27x square, but of course the sign should be minus. Now this will bring down plus 138x minus 35. Ready? Now the first term, what is this? Minus 2x cube divided by, what is here? X square. Square out of 3, 2 will cancel. That means 1. That means minus 2x. Ready? So we'll write here minus 2x. Ready? Now minus 2x into the divisor. What is that? X square minus 4x plus 1 equals minus 2x into x square. So minus 2 into x square into x raised to 3. That means x cube. Now minus into minus plus. 4 2s are 8. X into x square. Ready? Now again minus 2x into plus 1. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 2x means 2x. Ready? So we'll write here minus 2x cube plus 8x square minus 2x. When you subtract, this minus will be plus, plus will be minus, minus will be plus. Ready? Minus 2x cube plus 2x cube will cancel. Minus 27x square minus 8x square. Minus into minus plus. So 27 plus 8. 35x square. But of course the sign is minus. Now plus 138x plus 2x. 138 plus 2 then. That means plus 140x, and this 35 will bring down minus 35, isn't it? Now see the first term, minus 35x square divided by, what is here? X square. X square will cancel, minus 35. So here we will get minus 35. That means minus 35 into divisor, x square minus 4x plus 1 equals minus 35 into x square minus 35x square. Again minus into minus plus Ready? Now 35 into 4. 35 into 4, 140. Ready? 140x. Again, minus 35 into plus 1. 35 ones are 35. Plus into minus, minus 35. See? 35 into 4, 140. If you have doubt, you have to multiply and check. Okay? Now, that will write here. Minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35. See, minusing time, this will be, minus will be plus, this plus will be minus, minus will be plus. See, plus and minus will cancel, plus and minus will cancel, plus and minus will cancel. So, the remainder is 0. Okay. You can write, therefore, P of x equals, divisor into quotient. That means what you will write? X square minus 4x plus 1 into quotient. What is that? X square minus 2x minus 35. 2x minus 35. Ready? For n is 0, P of x equal to 0. But P of x means we got it now this one. What is that? X square minus 4x plus 1 into x square minus 2x minus 35 equal to 0. That implies x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0 or x square minus 2x minus 35 equal to 0. This implies this part we will take now. That means this one we will use breaking the middle term. What is that? The multiplication side minus 35, addition or subtraction will be minus 2. Multiplication place, if you get minus means sure one of the number is minus. 35 means 7 5s are 35. 7 minus 5, 2. Isn't it? See, 35 means 7 5s are 35 and 7 minus 5, 2. That means, so the numbers are 7 and 5. But looking this, we can understand the subtraction place minus means the bigger number is minus and the small number is plus. Ready? So this implies, what you'll write? X square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 equals 0. See, splitting the middle term we are doing, okay? This implies, from these two, what you can take common? X. X into x minus, x square means 2 times, 1 we took outside, minus 7x we took x outside, the balance is 7. Plus, from these two, 5 will take outside. From 5x, if I take 5 outside, the balance is x minus 5 into how much you will get? 35. 5 7s are, so 7 will be inside. Equal, see the brackets are same. This implies x minus 7 I am taking as common now. So the balance is x plus 5 equal to, that implies x minus 7 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. That implies x equals minus 7 goes next side, plus 7, and of course x equals this minus, this plus 5 goes next side, minus 5. Therefore, the other zeros are 7 and minus 5. 7 and minus 5. So, wait for the next video to get the next chapter. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay.